Developing critical thinking skills through groundwater mapping exercises. In today's world of complex environmental challenges, knowing facts is no longer enough. The real skill lies in knowing how to think. One powerful and often overlooked way to build strong critical thinking skills is through groundwater mapping exercises using GIS and geospatial tools. Groundwater may be invisible beneath our feet, but understanding it requires deep thinking, problem-solving, and analytical reasoning. When students, researchers, or young professionals engage in groundwater mapping, they don't just learn where water is. They learn how to question data, interpret patterns, and make evidence-based decisions. Why groundwater mapping builds critical thinking? Groundwater mapping combines science, technology, and logic. Learners must analyze multiple datasets, such as rainfall, geology, soil type, elevation, land use, and well data. Each layer raises questions. Why does water accumulate here and not there? How does slope influence infiltration? What happens to groundwater when land use changes? These questions encourage learners to analyze relationships, evaluate evidence, and draw informed conclusions, the core pillars of critical thinking. From data to decisions, unlike rote learning, groundwater mapping is exploratory. There's rarely a single correct answer. Students test assumptions, compare scenarios, validate results with real-world data, and refine their interpretations. This process trains the mind to think logically and systematically identify patterns and anomalies. Challenge assumptions, communicate findings clearly. These are not just academic skills. They are life and career skills relevant to environmental management, urban planning, engineering, policymaking, and sustainability. Real-world impact groundwater mapping exercises mirror real-world challenges faced by communities struggling with water scarcity, contamination, or climate variability. By working on realistic scenarios, learners develop problem-solving confidence and an appreciation for sustainable water management. At Onyx Geo-Spatial Solutions, we believe geospatial education is more than technical training. It is a way to shape independent thinkers and solution-driven minds. By promoting hands-on GIS-based groundwater studies, we help build a generation capable of making smarter environmental decisions. Support geospatial intelligence. If you believe in the power of GIS, education and critical thinking for sustainable water management, support Onyx Geospatial Solutions by sharing this post and helping spread geospatial knowledge to a wider audience. What do you think? Do you believe practical GIS and groundwater mapping exercises can significantly improve critical thinking skills? Type agree if you agree. Type interesting if you found this insightful, or simply give this post a like and share your thoughts in the comments.